Hey everyone, want to explore the amazing visual capabilities of Qwenlm.ai? Great, because in this quick tutorial we are going to show you exactly how to upload and unleash its power. First things first, let's go to Qwenlm.ai website. Now log into your account. After you are logged in, you can see this type of a home page. Now, in order to upload an image on Qwenlm.ai, you can use this button over here. This model doesn't support image files. Let's go to another model. This one. Okay. As you can see, the different versions support different types of things. Qwen 2.5 Max didn't support it, the upload image section. After I changed it to the model of Qwen 2.5 BL72B, it opened this section, that is upload image. For sure, to upload the image, tap on this image button or camera button over here. Tap on it. Select the images from your gallery. Let me open one of them. Tap on open, and this uploaded the image. See how simple it was, but as I said earlier, you have to pay attention to the model that you are using, because the model differs if you are allowed or not allowed to upload the images. And that's it, you have successfully uploaded an image to Qwenlm.ai. Pretty easy, right? Now it's your turn to experiment. Try uploading different types of images and see what amazing things you can create with Qwenlm.ai. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.